Hello everyone, my name is Julia. I'm the regional manager for Asia Pacific and Discord Sensors. Today we conducted our professional IoT workshop here in Jakarta. I thank all the visitors for coming here for visiting us today. Today we had a presentation of our company, Escort Fuel Level Sensors, and our partner Pilot Telematics providing monitoring software, and also our local representative Edbow Tehnik Indonesia. We also discussed some use cases and got a real installation of fuel level sensor on the Mitsubishi truck.
Hello everyone, again, maybe for the third time. I would like to thank you all again for coming. I know it's Monday morning at busy Jakarta with traffic, but still you made it, you are heroes. My name is Tim Almaev. I am an international sales team leader with a Russian company, Escort Monitoring Systems. So today, us, Escort Monitoring Systems, and our partners, Edbow Tehnik Indonesia, thank you very much for organizing it. It's a great effort from your side. And also Alex from Pilot Telematics, it's a Russian software company. We will be holding a workshop for you guys. So the idea for the workshop is to spend more time together and try to showcase our product, our solutions to you.
Today we already have 2.5 million objects, but it not means it's not only vehicles, it's different equipment that connected to the platform. Because as I told you just now, we develop IoT platform, and fleet management, this is one of solution that we present.
Yes, guys. Yes, very impressive event. A lot of people, a lot of new information, and a big opportunity for all of us, you see.
Kesan pesannya menarik sekali ya, dari sisi kita bisa nambahin value untuk customer end user gitu ya. Dari sisi komersial, advantage-nya buat mereka seperti apa, dari sisi technical juga tadi ada penjelasan khususnya, jadi menarik sekali juga ketemu teman-teman dari dunia IoT juga gitu ya. Jadi ini bisa mengembangkan network juga untuk solusi untuk end usernya dari company kami, Phoenix Solusi juga.
Karena kita kebetulan perusahaan sistem integrator. Jadi kalau kita bilang acara ini sangat bagus, pertama dari technical knowledge-nya kita jadi increase ya, jadi naik ya technical knowledge. Kemudian kita punya banyak koneksi sekarang, jadi ini bagus lah, banyak lah acara-acara seperti ini gitu sih kira-kira.
Acaranya cukup berjalan baik, penjelasan juga cukup jelas, dan kedepannya kami bisa memakai sistem dan alat yang diperkenalkan di sistem fleet management kami.
Ya, semoga dengan ada acaranya ini kita bisa lebih bisa mengintegrasikan sensor fuel ke proyek-proyek yang akan datang.
Dan cukup inspiratif buat kita yang bergerak di bidang solusi untuk sistem integrator. Harapannya ke depannya kita terus bekerja sama dan berkembang bersama.
Bermanfaat banget gitu buat kita, apalagi yang memang bergerak di bidang logistik gitu ya, di bidang logistik. Terus juga memang kan saat ini kebutuhan terkait fuel itu memang banyak lah gitu ya, banyak dibutuhin oleh usaha-usaha logistik yang sekarang, apalagi karena sekarang mungkin banyak hal-hal yang terkait pencurian ataupun kecurangan terkait fuelnya. Itu sih, itu bermanfaat banget buat kita.
The whole goal for this event, which we organize, is to provide more knowledge about our solution, to select people who is willing to come, who is willing to work with us. And I think we have achieved this goal.
The key mission for such kind of a workout, for such kind of an event, is that you can spend, as we are a technological manufacturing company, we would like to spend more time with our customers, because when you meet on the expo, it's one, everything is loud, you don't have enough time to conversate, conversation is brief. Online, you have more time, but you don't have a presence, because we are humans, we need to be together, we need to be in one room together, shake each other's hands and talk and see each other, what is the solution? I have a problem, how can you help me? So then we come forward and we say, look guys, we have this kind of solution for you. We can try to use this connectivity, or we can try to use this solution, or this kind of a sensor, or this kind of a software. Yeah, let's see how it works. So the key mission really is to increase the knowledge of the product among our partners, then they can sell more. At the end of the day, it's about money. So, but my understanding that we were able to convey this knowledge to our potential partners, because there are some people who don't work with us yet, as well as people who use our equipment for fleet management, for fuel monitoring, but still there are some gaps in knowledge which I hope we were able to cover with this case. As well as our partners, Pilot Telematics, they were able to showcase their software, their product. Thank you so much for providing this vehicle, which is there, for the installation, to our partner here, Edbow Tehnik Indonesia. Great guy, he organized everything flawlessly, catering was good, the venue is good, the ladies were beautiful, the reception, wow, amazing. So yeah, overall I think we have achieved our goal. That was a great event.
Thank all of you for joining us today and hope we can see you next time. Thank you.
Harapannya mungkin bisa diadakan lebih reguler ya. Jadi misalkan setahun sekali atau setahun 2 kali untuk bisa memperkaya fitur untuk kita gunakan untuk customer di Indonesia.
Ya harapan kedepannya ya semoga logistik di Indonesia gitu makin maju dan orang-orangnya mungkin bisa lebih aware lah ya terhadap logistik di Indonesia. Gitu.
Ya, harapan kedepannya semoga kedepannya bisa bekerja sama lah untuk menyelesaikan proyek-proyek yang akan datang.
Teamwork!